There are many strange animals in our world who do not follow the laws of nature. Because where normal animals die immediately after cutting a part of their body or head, then there are some special animals in this world who can not only live, but can also live a normal life. The age of the tortoise is usually between 80 to 200 years. Do you know that even if the heart of the tortoise is separated from its body, then its heart can live for 5 days? Because there are peacemaker or fake heart cells in its heartbeats, due to which its heart keeps beating even in the absence of the heart. And this feature is present in almost all reptiles. In today's video, we will talk about some animals with such amazing features, which will definitely shock you. A small-looking creature like a tortoise has the ability to adjust to its environment. Scientists say that they can even survive in a nuclear war, but not our slippers. But the most surprising thing about them is that they can live for several weeks without their head. And even if they die, it's just because they can't eat anything. The reason for this is very simple. Because they do not have a large network of blood pressure, so oxygen supply is not a difficult task for them, while they use their special antennas to breathe, so they can save themselves for so many weeks. This is a special type of Japanese squid, which is eaten in Japan with great pleasure. But surprisingly, it survives even after an hour of its death. And not only that, but when a special kind of sauce or salt is added to it, it starts moving at a regular pace. That's why it's also called a dancing squid here. And this is possible due to its special kind of nerve fiber structure. Every year, about 6 people die of suffocation due to it. But still, it has the status of the most famous dish in Japan, which people want to eat at all costs. There are many venomous and dangerous species of snakes in the world, which not only kill humans in seconds, but also kill an elephant with its venom. But did you know that along with being alive, snakes can be very dangerous even after several hours of death? Because vipers or cobra snakes can bite the prey even after death. They have 2 holes on their heads, which help them feel the heat in the surrounding environment. They have the power to attack again even after death. A head of a snake like a rattlesnake or a cottonmouth can remove the bag of venom from its head and put it in the body of any prey. And exactly the same incident happened with a gardener, who killed a rattlesnake and separated its head from its body. But when he was about to throw it away, this snake attacked this gardener, after which this gardener was given 126 injections of antivenom and was barely saved. Otherwise, usually, after a snake bite, only 1 injection of antivenom is given, which is enough for a common man. But this snake had put all its venom in the body of this gardener. So next time, even if you cut the body of a snake after killing it, you should be careful not to go near it for several hours. With the characteristics of a superhero like Deadpool, you must be aware that even after its body is cut, it can grow again in the same way as it was before, which is a fictional superpower. But apart from the film, in reality, this superpower is present in an animal whose name is salamander. If any part of its body is cut and separated, then it can reproduce it like before. To understand the amazing properties of this animal, research is being done on the structure of its genes, because the enzyme called mBlox present in its genes is responsible for its properties, which helps to increase its body rapidly. It not only has the ability to grow not only its body, but also the upper and lower jaws, but also the heart. Scientists hope that after producing this enzyme in the laboratory, it will be used on humans in the future, so that humans will be able to grow any deep wound or any part of the body again. And that too just like it was before. But there is no guarantee that this procedure will be successful. Did you know that these ordinary-looking flies can live for many days without their head? And they can do this due to the unique structure of their body, because they have a reserve brain in their chest, and to feel the surrounding light, light-sensitive cells are present in their kidneys, which help them find their way, and thus they can survive for many days. In the body of all these animals, there is a separate backup for their survival, which helps them to survive in all kinds of difficult conditions. So which animal shock you?